In the words of Mike Siebert. What's going on here? What's up, guys? Back in the garage, working on sleds again. God, I love snowmobiles. Episode 6. We're finally caught up with our editing. I know in the last episode I was way behind with editing, hadn't even started episode 4. Now, currently at the time of filming, I'm almost done with 5. Here we are for episode 6. Anywho, think this is gonna be a pretty big one. We got our spindles back from powder coating in this box here. They turned out pretty darn good. They look just like stock, only black now. So that's pretty sweet. We'll get those on. We got our rails also back from powder coating. Look just like stock, only black again. So got all of our parts and pieces over there. So we'll put that together. Slap that back in. We got our brace that's gonna go in here. We've got our DuraPro ski rubbers that we're gonna wait to put on, but they have arrived. We got the T-Motion Delete things that we're gonna wait to put on, but they've arrived also. I think for both of those, we're gonna do some on-snow comparisons. I wanna try and do it back to back to really get a true feeling of what the difference is and see if I can notice it, first of all, and second of all, you know, what I think of both of them. So that's that. We also got our brake rotor in. We got our other used parts snow flap. We got our link removal snow flap kit to put on as well. Our seat cover came. Here's the first look for you guys at the color scheme. Our wrap showed up as well, but you don't get to see that until it's on the sled. Then yeah, hopefully by the end of the day today, it's back up and running. If all things go to plan, I'd like to drop it off at the dealership either this weekend or on Monday so that they can do their warranty updates that need to be done. Because let me tell you, we got some snow. It's only December 14th today, and we've got more snow now than I think we had mid-January last year. Mid-January for the past couple of years. It's pretty awesome. Cut to me snow blowing. So yeah, anyways, had to do some chores this morning before we could work on sleds. All right. Time to get after it. Get the wrenches moving. ZRP brace is installed. Shiny. Looking good. Up next, spindles. Spindles are on. Shocks are in. Look at that setup. Looking fresh. Look at that. Snazzy. Another step accomplished. Brake rotor's on. We got pads in. Looking good, looking good. We're making progress. Next, we will do, what time is it? Ooh, it's lunchtime. Then we're gonna do the seat. That way we have clean hands with a clean seat cover. Sounds like a plan.
A few moments later.
Well, been a little focused on just getting stuff done. So it's long past lunch. We got our seat cover on. Ooh, look at that. She is looking good. We picked up some flanged hex bolts for the chain case cover because, so here's one of the original bolts. You know, nothing fancy to it, you don't think. But then you look at the end of it, it's kind of hard to tell from the video, I bet, but if you see them in person, they have a triangle shape to them. And they come from the factory like this because they cut the threads in each of these holes as they insert these from the factory. So those are basically more or less reliefs to allow the threads to be cut as they insert this. So it's real easy then to strip those threads out, especially with it being an aluminum piece. So if you switch to something like this, less likely to strip them out. You still can, but less likely to. There's your tip of the day. Skid is all back together. She's looking pretty good. Black, I think. Yeah, nothing much to say about that. Just went together pretty good. Well, we decided to put the pipe in. We got the skis on. Oh, she's starting to look like a snowmobile again. It makes me excited. Woo! All right, so next we're gonna do the link snow flap, removable snow flap. It's gonna go there. Got some supplied hardware. Bolt through here, and then this piece will then hook into there, and and that'll be bolted to the snow flap. We gotta cut the snow flap here. So, yep. Got the rear skid in. Look at that. Black beauty. I'm digging it. The blue seat cover. She will look mighty fine. Alright, the GoPro just died, but iPhone 11 Pro came in clutch here. So, anyways, this plastic is awfully faded. I didn't think it was this bad until I put it on and remembered how faded it was. So, we'll have to get some updated side panels, or newer side panels, whatever. This hood's just gonna end up all scratched anyways from me trying to get this crap off of it. So we're probably gonna go with a different hood, newer hood, or better looking hood. Suit turned out pretty good though. I like that. I like the color. Hopefully it matches the wrap pretty well. I think it'll be pretty good. And then on to this. So we tried brake cleaner and it ended up like not working and fading the paint. So we're like, okay, that's not gonna work. We're gonna try clay barring it, see if that helped. And this instant detailer is what comes in this clay bar kit as a lubricant for the clay bar. And tried clay barring it, didn't really work. But then I was giving it the old scrape like this, and it started coming off a little bit from that instant detailer that was on here. So it's kind of a solution, I guess. We just need to find an economical way to scrape it off. Got the skid in, removable snow flap on. This thing's pretty slick. Let me open the tabs up first, obviously. Just falls into there, locks in place, and bam, we got snow flap. And then we're like, hey, it's deep snow time. So you just unlatch it, and then it'll just go right there and tuck in underneath the bumper. And then bam, we're in free ride mode, or whatever there. Yep, it is about that time of day, the color of night. I am tired. I will dream about this thing being finished and pretty and dashing through the snow. Alright, so yesterday was Sunday and I never did actually work on the sled. So now it's Monday. Last saw me Saturday. Anyways, we decided to come out here and oh, look at that. Oh, it's on the ground, ready to go. So, as you can see, it's on the ground. We just got done adjusting ski stance, aligning it. That's the word I'm looking for. So, should be pretty good at that now. Yeah, panels are faded. Hood is scratched, faded. It's got residue on it. Doesn't want to come off. Just kind of flakes off if it does come off. Not really pumped about that. Panels faded. Seat looks good. Tunnel needs some work. So what I went and did is, and this piece here, we got, this piece is bent a little bit and this piece is busted. So we got a new one of them on the way. Gonna source some new panels for the hood. I may or may not have found one. As you can tell, it's gonna be blue and black color scheme, in case that wasn't already obvious. So, yeah. We're gonna now cut to dropping off at the dealer tomorrow. Already cut. Rolling in here to the old track side. And, yeah. Here to drop off the old, no, you can't see it then. Black Beauty in the back of the truck. Get some warranty work done. So hopefully it'll be done rather quickly and we can pick her up and get you riding. I am pumped. Woo! Alright. Well, this is the end of episode 6. See you next time. Bye now.